Hey Chris, it's Tyler with Leads by Lodi. It was good talking to you on Facebook the other day. I wanted to make this video for you and give you a free attack plan that you can implement right away in order to start outranking your competitors on Google and bringing in some more business for you. So I have your website pulled up here, and there's a couple of things I wanted to go over today just to help you out. First one was content, the second one is backlinks, and the third one is citations. So first things first, content. Google likes to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage alone. So, as you can see here, it needs a lot of work. Without content, Google doesn't know to send users that are searching for services such as carpet cleaning to your site. So adding in more content allows for more keywords such as carpet cleaning, Horsham PA, right, where you're located, to be plugged into Google, and then Google knows that when it's on your site to send that user there. So the first thing, like I said, is content, and we want to add more in on your homepage, and then even on your back pages, which I don't think you have any. So we definitely want to, increase the site as well as far as the number of pages. So it looks like you have all these services listed here: carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, pet stains. So each one of these could be a back page, right? So your site could turn into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, homepage 7, maybe an about and a contact, a 10-page site, and it's going to look good, and it's going to be able to compete against some other sites, because it's going to have more content and allow for more keywords, like I said. So I pulled up your site in a tool that I call Ahrefs, and what this does is just analyzes your site. It shows you the trust your site has and the power that these backlinks are bringing in, and that really leads us into the backlinks. Backlink is just a vote of confidence from another website linking back to your site, saying that this site is trustworthy and it has the content that users are searching for. So it looks like you have 2 backlinks and 1 referring domain. So you have 1 website linking back to your site twice. And then typically we would see organic keywords, the traffic, and the value. And we'll see that here when I jump into a competitor's site of yours. When I searched carpet cleaning Horsham PA, there was a couple results that popped up. This was one of them. It looks like this is a national company, and they just happen to have a branch in Horsham, right, or a service area in Horsham, which is actually good because typically service pages like this don't have a ton of links, so they'll be easier to outrank. But you can see here, it's a full-blown website here, tons of different service pages. They have a homepage. This is one of their location pages for Horsham, but this is the one we want to outrank, so we're going to focus on this. There's a phone number, it's click to call, and they got some content here, another click to call, pictures, and yeah, now we're getting into content right here. So right here you can see carpet clean Horsham PA, right? That would be a keyword that you'd want to rank for. And yep, more content. Steam cleaning Horsham PA, another keyword I'm sure you want to rank for. So you can just go down the list here, or the site here, and you're going to see, just kind of what you'd want to go after as far as your site. And what it would take to beat these guys. They don't have a ton of content. So, with the 1,500, 2,000 words on your site, you'd have no problem. So I pulled up their report as well in Ahrefs. And you can see here, not a lot of trust, but they do have power, and that's because, like I said, it's a national site, so they are getting some power from their main page. But that's no problem. You can see here, they don't have any backlinks. So that would be another thing to do, is add in backlinks to your site, and you'd be able to outrank these guys. You can see here they do have keywords, yep, and carpet cleaning Horsham is one of them, right? You can see here they have 100 search volume for that keyword alone. So imagine what 100 new customers would do for your business. Okay, and then the last competitor I brought up, their company's actually carpet cleaning Horsham PA, and here's their site. Right, pretty sleek. They've got a good bit of content here. Got some pictures. Got a contact form. And here we go, we get into some services, right? And FAQ, free estimate, all that. But, you know, definitely not 1,500, 2,000 words. So again, you know, adding in that content to your site, on your homepage, on your back pages, that's going to help you outrank these guys. And pulling up their report, they've got a good bit of trust here, but not a lot of power. Okay, you see they have 73 backlinks, 20 referring domains. And let's head into their keywords. Carpet cleaning Horsham, Horsham dry cleaners, carpet cleaning Horsham again here. So there's not a lot going on with the top two competitors here. So if you add in the content, you start working on backlinks, you know, within a couple of months here, you can outrank these guys. So we talked about content, we talked about backlinks. The last thing I wanted to talk about for you was citations. And what citations have to do with is your Google My Business listing here. Okay, we want to make sure that this thing is optimized. We want, 20, 30 pictures here. You have one, so we want to fill that in. We want to make sure we have phone number, we have hours, that's good. We want to put our website up here. Looks like you got to verify this actually as well. And then this description, we want this to be optimized. We want to put in keywords. We want to max out the characters that are allowed for this, right? So when, again, customers are searching for different services, carpet cleaning, pet cleaning for carpets, whatever it is, they want to be able to find your site, right? Your listing. So what a citation is and how we build this up. Citation is a name, address, and phone number in business listings, such as Yellow Pages, could be Yelp, Facebook, different business listings online. And you can see here, we have the map pack, as we call it, with the top 3 companies when you search carpet cleaning Horsham, okay? And we want to make sure that we beat out, like I said, their pictures, their description, and their citations. And that's how we're going to be able to get into the top 3 spots here. All right. And not only that, if we work on the backlinks and the content, okay, we're going to get in the top spots here in the organic listing as well. So again, we talked about content, putting in more for your site, adding in some back pages. We talked about backlinking, okay, getting links from other sites back to your site. And we talked about citations, your name, your address, your phone number in business listings to increase your ranking in the map pack here. Okay. So if you like what I talked about here, feel free to check us out. Our website is leadsbylordi.com. Here it is. And if, this is something that you can do yourself, perfect. Feel free to use the information that I gave you to start bringing in more business and outranking those competitors. Give me a call at 267-885-3473. Thanks. Talk to you soon.